morning, friends. So I thought we can start off our good morning by turning on our listening ears. Eyes focused on who? That's right, Teacher Allie. Zip the lips, lock it, put that key in your pocket. Excellent. And can you say, good morning, brain? Good morning, brain. It's time to learn. Let's have fun and be kind to others. And try your best. You can do it. Don't give up, right? You got this. Excellent. So let's start off and take attendance by saying our good morning train. Ready? All aboard. The good morning train is coming. How are you? Choo, choo. The good morning train is coming. How are you? Choo, choo. The good morning train is coming. Say hello to everybody. The good morning train is coming. How are you? Choo, choo. And we say hello to who is A D H Y A N. Good morning, Avian. How are you today? Great. I'm going to give you an air hug. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Big air hug. Awesome. And we say hello to who is U T U M N. Autumn. Good morning, Autumn. How are you feeling today? And don't forget, we're all using a big full sentence. So you can say, I feel awesome. I'm going to give you, let's do air. I know you like to do air sprinkles. Wiggity, wiggity, wiggity. Excellent. Good. And we say hello to who is A, V, V, E, R, Y. Good morning, Avery. How are you today? Excellent. Now, I'm going to give you, let's do air knuckles. Pound it. All right. And we say hello to who is C, L, L, A, R, A. Good morning, Clara. How are you today? All right. Good. I'm glad you are feeling that way. Let's see. I'm going to give you an air high five. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Air five. And we say hello to who is E, A, S, T, O, N. Good morning, Easton. How are you today? Awesome. Let's see. I'm going to give you an air. Let's do an air hug. All right. And we say hello to who's J, A, S, P, E, R. Good. Good morning, Jasper. How are you today? I'm glad you're feeling that way. Thanks for sharing. Let's see. I'm going to give you air sprinkles. Ready? Wiggity, wiggity, wiggity. Good. And we say hello to J, O, R, D, Y, N. Good. Good morning, Jordan. How are you feeling today? Wonderful. Let's do air 5. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. And we say hello to t, 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 E, S, 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 A. Good morning, Tessa. How are you feeling today? All right, wonderful. Thank you for sharing with us. And let's see. I'll give you, I know you like sprinkles, so here's some air sprinkles. Wiggity, wiggity, wiggity. Awesome, friends. All right, have a lovely day. Thanks for taking attendance with me and saying good morning.